In this video, I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here I am, I'm currently at netflix.com, and to do this what you're going to need to do is open up the Discord app. So normally what you would do is just share your screen, so you would come down, open up a voice channel, so this one for example, you just make a call like so, and then you click on to share your screen, and you would go ahead and just share your screen like so, and then click go live. The problem when you do this is that you actually have to add Google Chrome, because Discord doesn't recognize this as Google Chrome. You won't actually get any audio, so although you can share your screen, everyone that's on that with you is not going to have any audio coming through. But there is a simple fix for this. So what I'm going to do is just end this call like so. And to do this, what you're going to want to do is come down to the settings. So that's this gear icon down here. Go ahead and give that a click. And then what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, and you just want to scroll down a bit until you get to the activity settings here. So under activity settings, what you want to do is click onto register games. From here, you're going to click onto the blue add it button here. And then you're going to type Google Chrome. Go ahead and select that and click add game. After this, what you're going to do is make sure that's clicked on for the overlay. So you can see that's on, it says now playing. So what we're now going to do is come out of the settings and go and set up a call again. You can see Google Chrome is actually down here now as well. So what you're going to do is just open up another voice call. And once you've opened up the call, again, you would just go to share your screen. But instead of going to your normal screen, you'll see now it says here Netflix UK, so this is under Google Chrome. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and give that one a click. And of course you can change your settings from here, so you can change it to make the video smoother. You can choose the resolution. Of course you would need Nitro to go higher and things like that. And once that's done, just simply click the blue go live button down here. And what this is now going to do is share your screen, and the audio will also be coming through. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you did leave a like below the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.